Inflation is the silent thief eroding your money's value. With 2026 approaching, protecting your wealth is crucial. Holding cash might be riskier than ever due to economic shifts and global uncertainty. Today we explore the ultimate inflation hedges: gold, real estate, and Bitcoin. Each has its own advantages and risks, especially in the economic climate of 2026. Which asset will best protect your money? We'll dissect each one to find out. By the end, you'll know where to invest to preserve your wealth. Let's dive in. First up, the OG inflation hedge: gold. Trusted for millennia, gold is a tangible, rare asset with universal appeal. Central banks still hoard gold as a store of value. Unlike fiat currency, you can't print more gold, offering stability. In times of economic turmoil, gold is a safe haven. For 2026, if inflation persists or conflicts arise, gold could be compelling. It's a defensive move against financial catastrophe. However, gold doesn't produce income or dividends. Its value relies on price appreciation, which isn't guaranteed. Physical gold requires secure storage, adding costs. Gold ETFs solve storage issues but lack physical ownership. A demographic shift may affect gold's demand as younger investors favor digital assets. Gold's performance can be stagnant, missing out on other asset gains. If inflation fears are overblown, gold might underperform. Gold is a millennia-long insurance policy but not a growth asset. It's a slow and steady tortoise in a race full of hares. If you're worried about a currency crisis in 2026, gold makes sense, but be aware of its limitations and competition from digital assets. It's not a get-rich-quick asset, but a hedge against economic downturns. Sometimes, the tortoise doesn't win. Next, my favorite: real estate. Real estate fights inflation by increasing property values and rental income. As building costs rise, so do home values. Rental properties offer inflation-adjusted income as rents increase. Leverage and debt enhance real estate's inflation-fighting power. Fixed mortgage payments shrink in real terms as rents grow. In 2026, real estate's fundamentals remain strong amid housing shortages. However, high interest rates pose a significant risk. Expensive mortgages reduce affordability and buyer demand. Finding deals in a high-rate environment is challenging. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's illiquid and requires work. Market-specific research is crucial for success. The work-from-home trend has shifted demand in various cities. Real estate is a potent inflation hedge but not a slam dunk. Rental income growth and fixed debt destruction are powerful. High interest rates increase risk and lower returns. It's an active investment requiring effort and due diligence. For those willing to work, it could be the most effective wealth protector. Real estate offers a dynamic hedge against inflation, but it's not without challenges in the current economic climate. Finally, the most controversial: Bitcoin. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, has a finite supply of 21 million. Its scarcity is appealing in a world of money printing. As dollar supply increases, Bitcoin's price could rise. Bitcoin is decentralized, resistant to censorship and seizure. It offers freedom and portability unmatched by gold or real estate. In 2026, Bitcoin's adoption is still in early stages. Institutional interest legitimizes Bitcoin and attracts investment. However, Bitcoin's volatility is a major concern. It's known for extreme price swings and isn't a stable store of value. Regulatory uncertainty poses a significant risk. Governments may crack down on Bitcoin, affecting its price. Security risks exist with exchanges and wallets. Bitcoin requires personal responsibility for security. It's a high-risk, high-reward wildcard. Digital scarcity and adoption could make it a top performer, but volatility and regulation make it speculative. Bitcoin is a bet on the future, with potential for high returns. It could double in price or crash significantly. It's a speculative asset with uncertain outcomes. What's the verdict for 2026? There's no perfect answer. Gold is stable but offers little growth. Real estate provides income and wealth creation but faces high rates. Bitcoin has upside potential but comes with volatility and risks. Your choice depends on risk tolerance, time horizon, and goals. Younger investors might gamble on Bitcoin while retirees prefer gold or real estate. Diversifying across all three could create a balanced portfolio. Understand each asset's pros and cons before deciding. Which asset will be the ultimate inflation hedge in 2026? Are you team gold, real estate, or Bitcoin? Share your thoughts. I read every comment. Thanks for watching. If you found value, like and subscribe. More deep dives into finance and investing coming soon. Until next time.